Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a new wallet on Ledger Live. So first of all guys, what I need you to do is open any kind of browser that you are using on your PC or your phones, and then just go ahead and search for Ledger Live. So sorry, that's like that, and here we pick this one. After we choose it, we have to download it on our PC. So let's go and write on yes please and download the app on Windows application. So after doing so, we will wait a little bit until it is fully installed on our PC or downloaded on our PC, and then just like so, I will click on install. So let's wait, and it must be starting in couple seconds. So here we go, let's go to downloads and check here. Let's open it from here if we can. Alright, here it is. So now as you can see, the file has been opened. So here we click on next, install, next. It's pretty simple. So as we finish, let's wait a little bit, and yeah, let's wait until it is fully completed. As you can see, it will not even take a lot of your time. So run, so we will want it to be run on our PC, so click on finish after that, and let's wait. And game, and yeah, it is pretty like laggy on my PC. I don't know why these days like I have so much lag, but yeah, it does the work. So that is what is pretty much the important thing. So let's wait a little bit, or I will just pause the recording until it is fully good to work. So back to you guys, here it is the program and it is working now. So now it is opened. So how we can create our wallet, so we click basically on get started, and here you choose what device do you have. So it depends on which one do you have. Click on select, for example. Here they ask you if you are the first time using your Nano S and etc. You can drag if you want to go. You want here to set up it, you just click here and you click on continue. Let's do this. So here the best way to get you started, here you click on okay, I'm ready. What you'll have to do first is plug in your Nano. Next step is basically I understand, set up a pin code. So here you put a pin code after that, and then you confirm the pin code, and right after that you click on get started. I understand everything, recover phrase. So here they will give you a recover phrase, so make sure to not give this recover phrase to anybody. Right after that you keep going until the end, and while you are finished you will be ready to go and everything will be working for you. So here they ask you to connect and unlock your device, and if you connect it and everything will work, the page will be changed to your wallet and you will see all the coins or all the cryptocurrency that you have inside of it. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually create your Nano wallet. So thank you a lot for watching and see you in the next video.